Hey student, we are studying the science question paper 2023 and 24 sample CBSE sample question paper student. Okay, the section A we are going to solve in this video. Select and write the most appropriate option out of the four options given for each of the question 1 to 20. There is no negative mark for incorrect response. We are seeing the question number 1. Identify the product which represent the solid state in the above reaction. Now dear student, the solid state, first one barium chloride, second one is the barium sulfate, sodium chloride and sodium sulfate. These are there. Here is the sodium sulfate you are adding student. In which one you are adding student? In the barium chloride, right? So they are saying identify the product which represent the solid state in which the above reaction. So solid state is what student? Here is Na2SO4 plus BaCl2. So it is going to give student Na2 2NaCl plus solid BaSO4. It will be the solid student. So correct option is supposed to be option second student, barium sulfate. Identify the product which represents solid state. So option A is given, but it is the correct option is option B. Barium sulfate is precipitate. Now second question. The color of the solution observed after 30 minutes placing zinc metal to the copper sulfate solution student. So Zn is there student. Copper sulfate is there. Zn copper sulfate. So it is going to give student ZnSO4 plus it will give what student? Cu, right? So since you see student, this is the blue color, blue color, and when it is being placed to the reacting with the zinc, so it is displaced, so blue color will disappear, so it will become the colorless student. This is now milled non-corrosive basic salt is what student? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is also called student baking soda. Baking soda. Okay. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is what? On adding dilute sulfuric acid to test tube containing metal X, colorless gas is produced. A burning matchstick is brought near it. Which of the following correctly represent the X? So dilute sulfuric acid is there, H2SO4 student, and they are saying on adding dilute sulfuric acid to a test tube containing a metal X. So X can be sodium student. So gas, metal X, colorless gas is produced. So N2, if you are taking Na2SO4 plus it will give the hydrogen gas. So a colorless gas is produced when a burning matchstick is brought near. Which of the following correctly represent? So it can be what student? Sodium metal, it can be there student. Copper, it cannot be. Silver, it cannot be. Zinc also can be option, but most correctly it will give the maximum hydrogen gas with the sodium metal student. Which of the following correctly represent the sodium oxide student? Which one? So sodium oxide, the formula is Na2O. Na2O. So wherever here is the you see student, the correct representation which can be student